Yeah. I see America. That's America right there, everybody. USA! New York State is what you see. But. Everybody, look at Toronto. Look across the lake. Look at Toronto. You guys see it? 30 kilometers. Go look. All the way across the lake is Toronto. You can see Barry's apartment, the breakfast guy. You see it? You guys see it? Come on. Everybody see it? Yeah. So, it's only...
Hi guys, ito na pala yung nag-day trip kami papunta sa Niagara-on-the-Lake and Niagara Falls. So gumising kami ng bandang 7 a.m. Then nag-breakfast, then naglakad na kami ni Gian sa meeting point kung saan kami sasakay ng bus. Halos isang oras nga din yung biyahe para makapunta kami dun sa unang tourist attraction galing sa downtown. So natulog na lang kami sa bus dahil buong araw kami magtutour.
Acquired some home prices. If anybody needs a bank today for tip money, propinas, pourboire, trinket, if you need tower money, get it there at the left. Minimal fees, no fraud. Okay? We just doubled the town's population with our arrival. All these doors are opening at 10 a.m., guys. All these doors are opening at 10 a.m. The best bakery is right here, called Niagara Home. On the right, 127-year-old oven. You taste last century. Best coffee is the Yellow Door, Carlotta. Jam and jelly lovers, go to Greaves. She's 91 years old, still making her own jam. Niagara-on-the-Lake is known as the senior citizen jaywalking capital of the world. There you go. Cows, ice cream. Tell them Michael sent you, they'll top you up. Christmas shop, it's Easter. Worry about Christmas next year. 24 days of Christmas every single year. Can everybody see the Parliament building on the right?
Yes.
Can everybody see the clock tower on the left? 10:45, right here, everybody. The public washrooms are just through the alley, 30 meters away. Okay?
Hi guys, we're in Niagara-on-the-Lake. So meron daw history dito ng British, Canadians. Tapos meron daw ding war. So before daw naging capital ang Ottawa, dito daw dapat i-establish yung capital. Kasi dito daw naganap yung mga importanteng nangyari dati nung naging Canada daw ang Canada nung July 1st. Wow! Talagang may natutunan ako.
From 1812, right?
Tara. Eto. Ano na itong hotel na to Prince of Wales. O di ba kanina merong Princess of Wales? Ayun, maganda siya. So narinig nyo naman, sobrang 10 out of 10 yung aming tourist or ang aming bus tour driver. So, siya na yung nagda-drive, siya na din yung nagsasalita and nag-explain sa mga nakakita namin, sa mga bagay sa paligid namin. So, nandito nga kami, ang una naming stop ay Niagara-on-the-Lake. So, ito ang pinaka-beautiful preserved 19th century town in Ontario, Canada. Situated just 20 kilometers north of Niagara Falls. So, ito ang prettiest village in the heart of Ontario's wine country and features colonial-style architecture, horse-drawn carriages, and world-class theater. So, ito yung old town nila. So, merong wall clock. And then, pwede kayong mag-stroll sa Queen Street to explore 19th century heritage buildings, unique boutiques, and cafes. So, ang tawag doon ay Cenotaph Clock Tower.
Morning.
Ganda. Ito ang cool. Yung parang chain.
Funky.
Ito pang ay, tingnan natin kung merong emo.
가슴이 떨려와 자꾸 미안 네 앞에만 서면 난 너만 보면 이게 아닌데 내 맘은 그게 이런 게 아닌데 예쁘게 말하고 싶었지만 내 맘이 들킬까 난 겁이 나서 차라리 들켜서 내 맘을 네가 알아챘어야 해. 널 사랑해서 널 좋아해서 그랬던 거라 난 생각했어. 말하지 않아도 내 맘을 너는 알아줄 거라 생각했어. 돌아서 버린 너를 보면서 후회하면서 아무 일 없는 척 울어도 괜찮은데 아직도 사랑은 안 서투른가 봐. 너와 멀어질까 봐 그냥 아무 말도 못했어. 난 너에게 이게 아닌데 내 맘은 그게 이런 게 아닌데 내 자신을 합리화해보고 내 탓이 아님을 나 되뇌어도 달라질 것 없는 상황이란 걸
The Niagara Park slow clock. Is it keeping the right time? No. Okay, fine. You guys want to stay here? I'll come back in an hour. Anybody? No. Okay. So those flowers were just put in like, but good to know. The flower clock is here. We're gonna see the bridge on this angle anymore.
Bye-bye.
Ganda. Putang ina. Malamig kaya yung tubig.
참 슬픈 너와 나 마지막 너를 잡지 못했어. 후회하겠지 이게 아닌데 눈을 감아도 자꾸 네가 보여.
Ito na guys, finally nakapunta na kami sa Niagara Falls. So first time namin dalawa ni Gian and grabe, sobrang ganda dito guys. Ang ganda nung falls, ang ganda din nung tunog, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. And then yung pagtalsik din nung tubig sa mukha mo, nakaka-refresh siya. So ang Niagara Falls ay isang massive group of 3 waterfalls, the Horseshoe, American, and Bridal Veil Falls, spanning the US and Canada border. So dun sa US side, focuses heavily on rugged, up-close nature and hiking. Sa Canadian side naman sa Ontario, offers panoramic views, skyline of high-rise hotels, and the bustling Clifton Hill Entertainment District.
Side, the American Falls is the larger one, Bridal Falls is the tiny one. You'll see the Canadian Falls when we get to the top.
Tapos, nagbayad kami ng $20 para makasakay sa elevator pataas ng Skylon Tower. So, ang Skylon Tower soars 775 feet and this iconic tower features exterior yellow glass elevators, indoor and outdoor observation decks, and a revolving dining room that rotates 360 degrees every hour.
Then you do it.
Niagara Falls. Sorry.
Nakahampas pa walang
Bye-bye.
US.
So you guys can do half and half. You can do half-hour nature, half-hour carnival. You can chop it up any way you like. All carnival, no nature. All nature, no carnival. There's some big crowds here today. Of course, tomorrow and Sunday.
Going to the carnival, 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 carnival. And our last stop sa aming day trip ay dito sa Clifton Hill. So, Clifton Hill is Niagara Falls Premier Entertainment District. So, located siya sa 1 block from Canadian Horseshoe Falls. This vibrant neon-lit street fun features more than 25 attractions, including wax museums, haunted houses, themed restaurants, and massive arcades. So, yung mga pwedeng gawin dito is pwede kang sumakay sa Sky Wheel. So, Canada's largest giant observation wheel lifts you up 175 feet above the falls for panoramic views. Then, pwede ka ding mag-speedway. So, merong go-kart track designed like a real-life Mario Kart course. Then, meron ding midway. So, para siyang indoor arcade and entertainment complex. Then, meron ding mini-golfing. Pwede din kayong maglakad-lakad sa may tabi ng falls kasi talagang literal na dediretso ka lang or tatawid ka lang, nandito ka na sa Clifton Hill.
Isn't that right, Sonar? He's looking a little peaked, wouldn't you say? I think he's a tight
We're hearing
around each corner lurks the undead creatures waiting.
Ang ganda sana kung meron pa kaming mas mahabang time dito sa Clifton Hill kasi sobrang dami talagang magagawa. Kung saan ka tumingin, meron talagang magagawa or merong attraction or merong cafe, may mga restaurants, arcades. So, recommend ko lang kung pupunta kayo dito sa Niagara Falls, mag-book na kayo dito ng hotel mismo sa may falls kasi walking distance na lang siya sa lahat. Lalo na dito sa area na to kasi hindi ka talaga maboboard. Itong binook namin ay sa Klook din pala. So day trip siya papunta sa Niagara Falls. Babayad ka lang ng fee and then meron na siyang bus tour. Kaso nga lang limitado yung oras mo sa iba't ibang place. So meron dito kaming binibigay na allotted time tapos kailangan naming bumalik sa aming meeting place.